Hi guys, well we're back on I want to say day 4 with the kitchen. It's only day 4 for the purpose of the video. Hey Angus, it's actually been a couple of days, but only because it's been bank holiday weekend and little bits being done in between rather than a full day. But today we had a full day, didn't we? Yes we did. And yesterday we had a full day. Shall we show everyone day 4 of the kitchen project? Okay, well, there we go. So, zoom out a bit. As you can see, the ceiling has been plastered and the electrics are all in place there. Now, obviously we've got the tops, that one's has got to be put in because we've only got these ones that you can see where the wire is. So that one is for, Jen wanted one there for next to the breakfast bar. The extractor fan, another double socket over there, boiler, and then a couple over here on the back worktop space. And then we've got nothing over there, just these ones for the washing machine and the dishwasher. No, tumble dryer, dishwasher's behind that. But it is getting there. And then obviously, I've spoke to you guys about it already, but we're having one of the Samsung frame TVs put on here, but we wanted to recess it into the wall. There was a bit of discussion whether we'd blow out the other side or not, but we haven't. So we're just literally putting in a single socket, I think, in there, and then the One Connect box will fit in there, and the TV should cover that nice, like a picture frame. All the wires and cables will all be hidden. The plumbers had to come back to fix that pipe because it was bent, because a board was dropped on it, and as you can see, there's a socket next to it, but the radiator will go there. I'll have to do a separate video showing you some of these bits that we've got, the radiator and of course the pendant. But it's looking really, really good. We're definitely getting there. And obviously we've had a few other bits, but the tiles came today. And there you go, Angus. You can say hello. Say hiya. Say hiya. Say hiya. And tell everyone. You tell everyone about the kitchen. Anyway, so that's day 4. We're not sure if the ceiling needs to dry before plastering can be done there, but we'll see. We'll see on the walls. But yeah, it's looking good so far, and we may even get this window placed because it's clearly blown. The glass is blowing, which was like that when we moved in. Actually, this one was blowing and the top one was blown, but we only, for some reason, only replaced the top bit of that and that window and a few upstairs. We never did. I think it was because it wasn't as bad, but now it seems to when we moved in 5 years ago. You are getting heavy, young man. You are getting heavy. Anyway, that's it for day 4, and we'll see you again probably for day 5, maybe tomorrow, maybe Friday. Follow us and like to see continued progress. Say bye.